Hi, I'm Claudine, and today we're gonna microwave a chicken. You're probably saying, you can't microwave a chicken. Of course you can. I have a seasoned lemon chicken. I've seasoned it with lemon, pepper, a little salt, just a little salt, a little garlic pepper, and I'm gonna garnish it with celery, stuffing it on the inside, and a little pepper. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a couple of plates. You're gonna put the chicken on a plate. I'm getting the plate, and you're gonna take the plate, put the chicken on the plate, and place it in the microwave. Now, watch very carefully. It's really easy. Take the chicken, put it on the plate, and put it in the microwave. Place the chicken in the microwave, close the door, and you can't cook a chicken in the microwave. Take the chicken out of the microwave. Place your highly seasoned chicken onto an oven tray. Set your oven on bake and 350 for about an hour and a half, and enjoy. Now, that's cooking with Claudine.